Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to restore a deleted post on Facebook. Accidents happen, and sometimes we delete posts we wish we hadn't. Fortunately, Facebook gives you a way to recover those posts within 30 days. Let's get started. First, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in, you'll want to access your profile page. 1. Tap on your profile picture to bring up your profile. 2. Next, look for the 3 horizontal dots next to Edit Profile. This is your menu for managing various settings. 3. Select Activity Log from the menu. The activity log is where you can review your actions on Facebook. 4. Now, let's find those deleted posts. In the activity log, tap on Trash or Recycle Bin. This section holds all your deleted content. 5. Here you'll see a list of posts that you have deleted within the last 30 days. Browse through the list to find the post you want to restore. 6. Once you locate the desired post, tap on the 3 dots next to it. This will give you a few options to choose from. 7. Select Restore to Profile. This option will put the post back where it originally was on your profile. 8. Finally, confirm the restoration. This step is crucial to ensure the post is successfully restored. And there you have it. You've restored a deleted post on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media. Happy posting!